In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start and pin chats in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your most important conversations easy to find and your communication more organized. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to sign into Microsoft Teams. Open the app on your device and enter your login information. If your computer is already connected to your Microsoft account, you may be signed in automatically. Once you're inside, take a moment to look around the interface. If you're new to Teams, it might seem a bit crowded at first, but don't worry, it's all about knowing where to go. To start or continue a conversation, click the chat icon on the left side of the screen. This is where all your messages live. After opening the Chat tab, you'll see a list of your recent conversations. If you want to begin a new chat, click the New Chat icon near the top. It usually looks like a pencil or a speech bubble. Then, type the name or email address of the person you want to message. Be sure to enter their details correctly to avoid sending a message to the wrong person. For a group chat, simply add more contacts. Microsoft Teams is perfect for team discussions and group conversations. Now let's talk about pinning a chat, one of the most useful features in Teams. Pinning lets you keep important conversations at the very top of your chat list so you don't have to scroll to find them. To pin a chat, locate the conversation you want from your chat list. Next to it, you'll see three small dots, also called the ellipsis. Click on those dots to open the menu. In that menu, select Pin. As soon as you click Pin, that conversation will move to the top of your chat list. From now on, every time you open the Chat tab, your pinned chats will always be right there, saving you time and effort. And that's it. You now know how to start a chat in Microsoft Teams and how to pin important conversations. This simple feature can make a big difference in staying organized, whether you're managing a project or keeping in close contact with your team. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident using Microsoft Teams. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your digital productivity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads.